Yes, hello. My name is Julie and I live with my parents and sisters on a farm in Flemish Ardennes in Belgium. In our country, less than 1% of the population is a farmer. So lots of people don't even know where food comes from or how we work to produce it. And that's why I'm going to take everyone for a day on our dairy farm. Right now it's around 9:30 a.m. and I'm about to start feeding the animals. Most of the cow's food we harvest ourselves. So let's first take a look at how Cross gets home. Besides grass, maize is also an important forage. So now I'm going to put all the ingredients in the feed mixer and then bring it to the animals. In the afternoon, there's always something else to do, like giving the cows a pedicure, cleaning stables, etc. But today I'm going to shave some cows. We just collected our cows and now we're ready to milk them, what we also do every morning at 6. After milking, I did some administration on the computer and now I'm going to do my tour in every stable. But this is where I'm leaving you. I hope everyone saw how hard and dedicated we work to get food, to get milk on the table, and how much we all love working together on the farm. Because without the whole family, our farm would not be here. Goodbye.